Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video we're going to talk about the wonderful benefits of cayenne pepper and the ways that you can use cayenne pepper, especially during the winter time, to keep the body warm and to generate heat in the body and to provide a feeling of warmth. Now this is perfect for the winter time, especially here today in Finland. We have one of the most coldest nights to have experienced during the last couple of years. Today is very cold, today is very dark, and I'm going to try a couple of different recipes for the next upcoming days as well. It's also important for us to note at the beginning of the video that the scientific evidence supporting this claim is limited, and some people use cayenne pepper in various ways to stay warm during the winter, so we're basing it on a couple of important foundations and also on anecdotal evidence as well. So the first way to use it is in a cayenne pepper tea. Now you can go ahead and mix a pinch of cayenne pepper with warm water, add in honey to make a wonderful spicy tea, and the tip here is to start with a small amount of cayenne pepper and adjust according to tolerance. The second way to use cayenne pepper is in food, so you can incorporate a pinch of it in your meals, especially perfect for soups, stews and chili, and this really adds a warming sensation to your body. The third way is to use cayenne pepper as a body rub, and you can create warming body rub by mixing cayenne pepper with a carrier oil. It could be coconut, it could be olive oil, or it could even be castor oil, which could be used as a wrap as well. So you can mix the mixture into your skin, but please be cautious to avoid sensitive areas and broken skin as well. The fourth way is in capsaicin supplements. So capsaicin is the active component in cayenne pepper, and you can find these supplements, but it's also crucial to consult with your doctor before starting to take them, especially if you have underlying health conditions or if you're taking medication, to ensure that it doesn't interact negatively with your medication. And the fifth way is warm clothing. So cayenne pepper may provide a sensation of warmth, but it is never a substitute for proper warm clothing in the cold winter time. Go ahead and dress layers to trap the body heat and protect against the cold, and always try to take warming teas and also try to protect your immune system and up your vitamin C intake in order to support your immune system that way during the cold winter months. I wish you all the best. If you enjoyed today's video, like, share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.